Hello kids, welcome back to Xoratale. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter D. Are you ready? Let's go. D for dog, dog. D for duck, duck. D for dog, dog. D for drum, drum. Let's repeat it again. D for dog, D for duck. D for doll, D for drum. D for deer, deer. D for dolphin, dolphin. D for donkey, donkey. D for dinosaur, dinosaur. D for door, door. D for desk, desk. D for dress, dress. D for dish, dish. Let's repeat it again. D for door, D for desk, D for dress, D for dish. D for drumstick, drumstick. D for diamond, diamond. D for dice, dice. D for dustbin, dustbin. Let's repeat it again. D for drumstick, D for diamond, D for dice, D for dustbin. D for doctor, doctor. D for driver, driver. D for dancer, dancer. D for dentist, dentist. Let's repeat it again. D for doctor, D for driver, D for dancer, D for dentist. D for dragonfly, dragonfly. D for dove, duck. D for dart, dart. D for dot, dot. Let's repeat it again. D for dragonfly, D for dove. D for dart, D for dot. D for donut, donut. D for date, date. D for dumpling, dumpling. D for dessert, dessert. Let's repeat it again. D for donut, D for dates, D for dumpling, D for dessert. You've learned the letter D today. Now let's play a fun game. What is this? Yes, D for dog. What is this? That's right, D for duck. What is this round and shiny? Yes, D for diamond. What helps the doctor fix teeth? Exactly, D for dentist. What do we open to go outside? Yes, D for door. Who drives a car or bus? Perfect, D for driver. And what animal lived long ago? Yes, D for dinosaur. Awesome, you got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon with the next fun letter, letter E.